StarTech.com's industrial USB-A 5 gigabit per second hub offers 16 high-speed USB-A ports and is ideal for harsh industrial, commercial, or other high-traffic wear and tear environments like warehouses, manufacturing facilities, or production lines. They feature a robust all-metal chassis for maximum durability, overcurrent protection to help prevent connected USB devices from overdrawing power, as well as Level 4 15 kV air and 8 kV contact ESD protection. It features built-in mounting ears for a flexible installation on a wall or surface. The included DIN rail mounting clips allow for DIN rail installation, and the included EIA 310 compliant 19-inch mounting brackets allow the hub to be installed onto a rack, taking up 1 U of space. Our 16-port USB-A industrial hub can be powered with a choice of built-in terminal block connector or with a 160-watt DC power adapter. StarTech.com carries a 160-watt universal terminal block DC power adapter that works with our industrial USB-A 5 gigabit per second hubs and other StarTech.com industrial devices requiring 20-volt power supplies. The USB ports on the hub have LED status indicator lights that illuminate green when a device is connected to the port. The USB ports support the battery charge 1.2 spec for 7.5 watts of simultaneous charge on each of the 16 ports, or 10 watts of charging on 8 ports. Each USB port can function as a dedicated charging port without the need to connect to a host computer. All ports feature screw-lock connectors that prevent accidental cable disconnections. The dual host switch allows our USB hub to connect to 2 separate desktop or laptop computers and seamlessly switch between host devices. Our Type A industrial hub is OS independent and connects to the USB-A port on your host device with the included 10-foot USB-A to B cable. With over 35 years as the IT professional's choice, our 16-port industrial USB 5 gigabit per second hub is backed by a 2-year warranty and has free lifetime technical support. Discover hard-to-find made easy with StarTech.com. Place your order for our 16-port USB-A industrial hub through StarTech.com, Amazon, or your business technology provider today.